morning to one and all gathered here. The investiture ceremony is the first celebration in a school. It is usually scheduled in the month of July, beginning of the every academic year. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important events of any school. It is here that we entrust faith and hope in our newly appointed school council. Every student who obtained leadership role feels proud and responsible citizen. The celebration on that very day makes every child who is elected as leader feel proud as well as sense of responsibility to be leaders in making for tomorrow. The Students' Council induction is a memorable day for all office bearers, a proud moment to stand as leaders before their fellow mates. The school commences the scholastic year with pomp and aura of the investiture ceremony of the Students' Council. The members of the council don on smart, formal apparel who introduce themselves to shoulder their responsibilities. We, Rasi Vidyashram, proudly presents the investiture ceremony in innovative method on 2nd August in virtual platform despite of the widespread of the pandemic situation. In this unique virtual dais, the young leaders are ready to take over their responsibilities as leaders. Hearty congratulations to all the young leaders for your new endeavor. Thank you. Jai Hind. Have a nice day.
A pleasant morning to Pandandal gathered here. It's our honor and privilege to have our beloved Secretary Sir, Mr. Maslamani Sir, President of Education Committee, Mr. Kanagarajan Sir, Treasurer, Mr. E.S. Mani Sir, and respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sugita Dinesh Ma'am, with us on this memorable day to the Investiture Ceremony 2021. Unbounded joy is in the Lord's presence. At His right hand is our life's delightful essence. I invite Kavya from grade 3 to sing a prayer song.
Happy morning to all of you.
Thank you, friend, for the prayer song. Dance is a form of praising God for all His wonders to human life. Dance makes a gentle love that radiates between God and human. The sun overhead is shining out bright. The birds are chirping a lot in a bright light. All on earth proclaim the Lord's mighty power. We shall praise Him for His delight present. I invite S. Anuprabha of grade 8 to present invocation dance.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
It's our pride to honor our national flag, which stands as a symbol of unifying force for all Indians, irrespective of caste, color, and creed. It's the pride of every Indian. As the flag fly high, let's lift our hearts with love for our mother nation, promising her that we love her and we are the children of one mother called India. May I now invite our honorable directors, Mr. Maslamani Sir, Mr. Kanagarajan Sir, and Mr. E.S. Mani Sir, to hoist the national flag.
A million unlit candles and still darkness prevails. All that is needed is that one candle with light. Not only will darkness be dispelled, but also all the million candles will come to light. With all our charming and cheerful greetings, we extend a hearty welcome to our beloved Secretary Sir, Mr. T. Masilamani Sir, President of Education Committee Sir, Mr. R. Kanagarajan Sir, Treasurer Sir, E.S. Mani Sir, and respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sugita Dinesh Ma'am, whose presence makes million incomplete souls feel complete. I welcome you all for this grand celebration. We take great honor to welcome our dear teachers who chisels and shape our life, who make us a good citizen of the society. We welcome dear teachers with our grateful hearts. No love is greater than mom's love. No care is greater than dad's care. Yes, dear parents, we hold you always very close to our hearts. You are very much part of us. We spare little moment to tell you we love you. We acknowledge the part you play in imparting the holistic education and the formation of young minds. We feel deeply cherished to offer a pleasant welcome to each one of you. Welcome, dear parents. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. Vim and vigor, live wire, eager beaver. Undoubtedly, these entire titles well fits to you, dear chosen leaders and my dear friends. It is you who made this function up to the snuff. Welcome, dear friends. Once again, we welcome you all to put your shoulders on wheels to make this event as a grand success. Thank you for the opportunity.
Happy morning to you all. The house system aims to provide students an identity and sense of pride in a supportive and secure environment. The houses provide for positive competition and close rapport between students and teachers. Thus, house system is an integral and vital part of the school's culture. We named our houses as followed with the themes: Prithvi known as Earth, go green; Akash known as sky, spread your wings; Vayu known as air, rule the world; Agni known as fire, avoid ignorance. We as adults play vital role to emerge the school and its system to be beneficial to the students. We serve our fellow members in a positive way in all the endeavors. We seek support from the fellow members to reach the goal assigned us as a team. We will do the best and play our role in effective way. Thanks for giving opportunity to share about our house system. Thank you.
May now I invite our Honorable Directors, Mr. E.S. Mani Sir, Mr. Kanagarajan Sir, Mr. Masala Mani Sir, and our beloved Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sugita Dinesh Ma'am, to honor them with pinning of badges and followed by a oath-taking ceremony.
On this gracious moment, in the presence of all gathered here, I wish to as chosen leaders of this school, are you ready to serve the student community at any given situation? To be leaders, to lead and to create a better world. May God's blessings be with you and guide you to be exemplary leaders in the days to come. God bless you all.
You are selected to be the school people, the assistant school people leader for this academic year 2021-22. Are you both ready to shoulder this leadership, knowing fully its duties and responsibilities?
Yes, we do, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Dear student leaders, are you willing to serve the student community of Rasu Vidyasaram School with the greater respect of upholding the name and honor of our school?
Yes, we are willing to serve.
Okay, thank you. As per your school motto, Indian Roots, Global Outlook, that you be a servant leader who is called to serve and to lead the students' community based on the values of discipline and loyalty to explore yourself. Wishing you all the best to do the best service. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
We promise to
Strive
to the best of our ability
to the best of our ability
to live up the
ideal
of our school by fulfilling faithfully our duties entrusted to us by the school authorities and the teachers. We will respect the rules and regulations of the school. We will do the best of our ability to preserve, protect, and to defend the honor of our school.
Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Now I carefully call upon the students, house captains and vice captains to light the lamp.
Distinguished guest of honor, Vinod Secretary Sir, President of Education Committee Sir, Treasurer Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, caring teachers, revered parents, and my dear friends. My name is V. Tamil. I'm the school captain of the students. Firstly, I would like to start by explaining to you what this position means to me. A school captain needs to be a respectful but also fun-loving person, someone who can represent the school and its core values, hospitality, compassion, leadership, and reconciliation in a positive manner. To me, the role of school captain is more than a badge or a fancy title, but a chance to make a positive influence on the students, even my teachers, and their time at Rasu Vidyasaram CBSE school. I will be the first person to say that I am not perfect, but I do believe that I will strive to be the best fit for this position that is best shown on me. Secondly, I would like to introduce you to my personality types. My two strongest personality types are type 1, the reformer, and type 2, the helper. As these personality types, I offer many great qualities to this position. As the reformer, I have a strong sense of thinking what is right, which leads me to make good decisions. I always work towards an ideal. I have a goal and I believe that I can achieve it. I am truthful and trustworthy. I can be trusted with great responsibilities. I have strong values and morals. I stand strong for what I I believe in, and I do the best of my ability. As a helper, I put others before myself. I always think about others and how my actions influence them. I'm very friendly. I'm very happy and bubbly person who gets along well with others. I'm dedicated and committed to my fellow beings and they rest on me. Criticism well and use it to help me to grow up and become my best. I'm not afraid to speak out and be myself. I will be the mentor and the role model for the students, but also as their friend. And most importantly, as a human being of showing love, respect and kindness to all, and accept everyone as they are and don't worry about prejudice. Finally, I would like to finish by saying that I really hope I can bring something unique and special to our school as your school captain. Helping others is my passion, and I would love the chance to show you what I can do and how this position helps me to grow. And finally, I would like to leave you with a quote that I intend to live by. Challenges of leadership is to be strong but not rude, to be kind but not weak, to be bold but not bully, to be thoughtful but not lazy, to be humble but not timid, to be proud but not arrogant, and to have a humor without a folly, said by Jim Brown. Thank you to all and thank you for choosing me.
Happy morning to all my gathered here. I am the captain of Ankar's house. We are the in charge for conducting competitions and our slogan is spread your wings. Competition is a good thing and forces us to do the best and brings out the best products in the Western people. So we will encourage the students to explore their talents. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. I am Sri Ganesh selected as Akash Group Captain. We are the in charge for conducting competitions and our slogan is spread your wings. I want to make my team proud and I will try my best to be a great captain. We will encourage the students to explore their talents. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. I am Yashuraba, captain of Agni House. We are in charge for functions and celebration. Celebration gives us happiness, so let's celebrate all the functions in a grand and successful way. We are expecting 100% participation and support from your side. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. I am B. Rashibala, selected as Agni's house captain. Our team is avoiding ignorance. I want to make my house proud. I will try my best to be a great captain and remember doing functions or anything else. I encourage you to do your best. Thank you.
And this is Suddenly, house captain of IU. We have a team of responsible and vibrant leaders to lead the house successfully throughout this academic year 2021-2022. Our house expects to succeed and learn from every experience. Each one of us is a leader who is gifted and skillful. We work together to gain great results and we strive to reach our great heights like our motto, rule the world. Thank you. Congratulations to the students and teachers, those who are selected as captain and vice captain. My hearty congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. I am Yamada Vishnu from Grade 9, the house captain of Boys School. And our house team is rule the world. I will encourage you when we think you can't do it. I will heed your questions and problems. I will help you when your time comes. I promise that I will do my service to the best that I can. Thank you. Happy morning to all my gathered here. This is Anita and the captain of the house. This is the captain of, I am the captain of City House. Our slogan is Go Green. We are in charge for discipline and organization. Discipline is very important to have success in life. Discipline in students' life acts as a building block for success. And it's my pleasure and responsibility to make the students as a good disciplined students and organizations. Motivation keeps you growing, but discipline keeps you growing. Once again, thank you all.
Good morning to all. I am Edna from Grade 9, the captain of Frederick House. The house team is growing. I want to make my house to have better understanding about nature and hold the responsibility to protect the environment and inculcate the discipline among the students
Happy morning to all. Happy morning. ராசி வித்யாசம் சிபிஎஸ்இ பள்ளி பள்ளிக்கூட தலைவர் மரியாதைக்குரிய கனகராஜ் அவர்களே, பொருளாளர் மரியாதைக்குரிய பிஎஸ் மணி அவர்களே, டைரக்டர் பிரின்சிபல் திருமதி ஸ்ரீகாந்தேஷ் அவர்களே, அனைத்து ஆசிரியர்களே, இன்று புதிதாக பங்கேற்றிருக்கும் மாணவ கண்மணிகளே, அன்பான பெற்றோர்களே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது வணக்கங்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இன்று புதிதாக பங்கேற்றிருக்கும் மாணவர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது வாழ்த்துக்களையும் பாராட்டுகளையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நீங்கள் சக மாணவர்களுடன் நல்ல நட்புடனும் அன்புடனும் தலைமை பண்புடனும் செயல்பட வேண்டும் என்று உங்களை கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். இன்று புதிதாக பங்கேற்றுள்ள அனைத்து லீடர்ஸும் உங்களுடைய ரோல் மாடல் யார் என்று கேட்டால் கல்வி தந்தை காமராஜர் என்று நீங்கள் பெருமிடக் கொள்ளுங்கள். ஏனென்றால் கல்விக்கு முக்கியத்துவம் கொடுத்து நிறைய பாடசாலை கல்வி நிறுவனங்களை திறந்து மாணவர்களுக்கு சிறந்த விளையாட்டியாக இருந்தவர், சிறந்த தலைசிறந்த நிர்வாகி, நேர்மையாளர், தொலைநோக்கு சிந்தனை உள்ளவர். அவர் பல்வேறு நலத்திட்டங்களை மக்கள் பயன்படும் வகையில் ஆற்றியவர். அவர்கள் வழிகாட்டுதல்படி நீங்களும் வேண்டும் என்று கேட்டு உங்களை வாழ்த்தி விடைபெறுகிறேன். தேங்க்யூ.
நமது ராசி வித்தியாசம் பள்ளியின் மாணவர்கள் தலைமை ஏற்று நடத்தக்கூடிய இந்த இனிய விழாவிலே பங்கு பெற்றுக் கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய நமது கல்வி குழு தலைவர் மரியாதைக்குரிய திரு கனகராஜ் அவர்களே, நமது பள்ளியின் செயலாளர் மரியாதைக்குரிய திரு மாசாமி அவர்களே, நமது ராசி வித்தியாசம் பள்ளியின் வளர்ச்சிக்கும் மாணவர்களுடைய வளர்ச்சிக்கும் பெற்றோர்கள் நமது மாணவர்களை நன்கு வழிநடத்துவார்கள் என்று நம்பிக்கையோடு இந்த ராசி வித்தியாசம் பள்ளியிலே சேர்ந்து அவர்களுக்கு பெருமை தரக்கூடிய நமது பள்ளியின் முதல்வர் திருமதி சுமிதா தினேஷ் அவர்களே, மாணவர்கள் வளர்ச்சிக்கு பெரிதும் பங்காற்றிக் கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய அனைத்து ஆசிரியர் மக்களே, இந்த பள்ளியின் மாணவர்கள் முன்னேற்றத்துடன் வருவார்கள் என்ற நம்பிக்கையோடு இந்த பள்ளியில் சேர்ந்திருக்கின்ற அனைத்து பெற்றோர்களை உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். அன்பான மாணவ செல்வங்களே, நீங்கள் இன்று தலைமை பொறுப்பு ஏற்று வைஸ் கேப்டன் எஸ்பிஎல் என்று பல விதமான பொறுப்புகளை உங்களிடம் ஒப்படைக்கிறார்கள் என்றால் அனைத்து மாணவர்களிலிருந்து உங்களிடம் ஒரு தனி திறமை உள்ளது. அதற்காகவே உங்களை தலைமை பொறுப்புக்கு தேர்ந்தெடுக்கிறார்கள். தலைமை பொறுப்பு ஏற்பதனால் நாம் ஒரு முதலாளியாகிவிட முடியாது. மாணவர்களை அரவணைத்து நல்வழிப்படுத்தி உங்களுடைய தொலைநோக்கு சிந்தனை உங்கள் சக மாணவர்களுக்கும் தெரிவித்து ஒரு நல்வழிப்படுத்துவதே உங்கள் நோக்கமாகும். நாம் தலைமை ஏற்றுக்கொண்டோம் என்ற அந்த தலைக்கணம் என்றைக்குமே வரக்கூடாது. சக மாணவர்களுடன் ஒத்துழைத்து அரவணைத்து நீங்கள் அவர்களுக்கும் பள்ளிக்கும் பெருமை சேர்க்க வேண்டும்.
Most respected Secretary of this institution, Mr. Fasla Mani, most respected President of this institution, Mr. E.S. Mani, our dynamic Principal of Rasi Vidyasam CB School, Mrs. Sugita Dinesh, and the dedicated faculties of Rasi Vidyasam, and our dear students, and the most loyal parents and dignitaries of this function. It's my great pleasure to stand before you the occasion of initiation ceremony of Rasi Vidyasam CB School. Really, I am very much delighted to see you all here. In many ways, the first and foremost thing for my delight is that I could see our dear students who are very much energized, enthusiastic to get them to the leadership role today. After a long time, we can able to see our dear students in front of our eyes. So this is our first delight today. For any school, initial ceremony is the first and foremost ceremony of the new academic year. I don't know which are the schools celebrating this ceremony in a gala manner, but right from its inception, we have been celebrating this ceremony, initial ceremony, with more color and we have been celebrating as a mega event for all these years. And for the second reason for my delight is this ceremony is being conducted today as a virtual ceremony. I don't know how many schools in this zone are celebrating this function, and I don't know how many schools are celebrating this in the virtual mode. But we do celebrate the ceremony in much color, in a colorful way, and that too in virtual mode. The time has changed, and so we have to change also. So we have to change the online class mode, and we have to change everything to the online mode. So likewise, we are changing this program also the virtual mode. On your information, my dear parents, this program is being telecasted tomorrow by 6 p.m. By 6 p.m. through Zoom, and of course, it will be telecasted live by through Facebook and YouTube also. So, in many ways, we are very much delighted today. I am happy to announce today another much happier information that our Rasa CBSE school has got its affiliation, renewed its affiliation. CBSE Delhi has renewed its affiliation for a continuous period of 5 years and up to 2027. மாணவ தலைவர்களே, இன்று ஒரு அருமையான பட்டமளிப்பு உங்களுக்கு செய்யப்பட்டுள்ளது. நம்முடைய செயலாளர் அவர்களும் நம்முடைய பொருளாளர் அவர்களும் கூறியது போல தலைமை பண்பு என்பது மிக முக்கியமானது. தலைமை பண்பு என்பது அவ்வளவு சுலபமாக யாருக்கும் கிடைப்பதல்ல. வெகு சிலரே அந்த தலைமையை அந்த பதவிக்கு ஏற்றவாறு தங்களை உயர்த்திக் கொள்கிறார்கள். ஆக ஒரு 350-400 மாணவர்கள் அடங்கிய இந்த நிறுவனத்திலே, கல்வி நிறுவனத்திலே நீங்கள் இந்த தலைமை பண்புக்கு தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டீர்கள் என்றால் உங்களுடைய ஊக்கம், உங்களுடைய கூடுதல் முயற்சி, உங்களுடைய ஒழுக்கம், கல்வியின் லைசன்ஸ் மேலே உங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற ஆர்வத்தின் காரணமாக நீங்கள் கண்டெடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறீர்கள். இதற்கு பொருத்தமாக நீங்கள் உங்களை தயார் செய்து கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்று நான் கேட்டுக்கொள்கின்றேன். இந்த குழந்தைகள் இங்கே வார்த்தெடுக்கப்படுகிறார்கள், உருவாக்கப்படுகிறார்கள். இவர்களை பெற்றோர்களும் நிர்வாகமும் ஆசிரியர்களும் முதல்வரும் இணைந்து மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு லீடராக, தலைவராக உயர்த்த வேண்டிய பொறுப்பு நமக்கு உள்ளது என்று கூறிக்கொண்டு இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு ஏற்பாடு செய்த அனைத்து ஆசிரியர்களையும் முதல்வரையும் உங்கள் சார்பாகவும் நிர்வாகத்தின் சார்பாகவும் மீண்டும் வாழ்த்தி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
A delightful morning to everyone present here. On behalf of all, we deem it a great honor and privilege to stand before you, to propose the words of gratitude for being with us today and making us feel proud and more than above fear of others. Gratitude is a human emotion. The more you express gratitude for what you have, the more likely you will have even more to express gratitude for. Gratitude becomes love. Love becomes devotion. Devotion becomes surrender. Surrender becomes faith. Faith becomes surrender. On the recollection of so many great favors and blessings, we now with the high sense of gratitude offer our sincere thanks to Almighty, the Creator and the Preserver. We extend our sincere thanks to Secretary Sir, President of the Education Committee Sir, Commissioner Sir, for awakening the desires and wonders of leadership and sharpening the education agenda. Respected staff, your actions inspire others, and you explore the possibilities Thank you dear teachers for being a part of this celebration and the attention. Parents are the staff that guide. To the development gate they hide you. If when they are fair at it, they all in your thoughts always. Nasi Vidyashan School has proved extended over the years as a reliable source of inspiration, even as it continues to inform, form and transform the students' community. It has been so high and touching. The credit goes to you, dear parents. Thank you for being a key players in our success story. The essence of the fruit is always taken at the last, and last will be the best ever. Finally, we thank the blooming buds of Nasi Vidyashan School for their performance through various programs conducted. You are the central focus of not only today's program, but every moment of your stay in this temple of learning. Learn to let go. Your hands will be free to conquer your tomorrow. Train your mind to live with water, thousand mark and length and strength. Granted costs nothing, but it is a big investment in future. Once again, we did our right to respect the parents of love. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे